Hello, welcome to my channel. If you catch the error like me, like this in Redux-persist integration React, like this. Here your React-toolkit, like this. I config my store.cs with persist config your persist reducer, and then you config store with this information like this, and export persister in main.redux. I import persist key from Redux-persist integration drag and persister from my store.cs and grab persist while up. But when I run, I catch this error. As you see here, the basic resolution is first unit check packaging of your client project. Here I check packaging, and you can see here not see Redux-persist in packaging in your client project, and now I will fix by reinstall it. Install like this. After that, I run my front-end project again. And you can see it's work okay. Not see the error message here. Hope video could help you to fix this error. Goodbye and see you again.